Cardinal Rule 2. Never be under a suspended load or under unsupported ground. Any load that is suspended, unsupported, and has the potential to fall directly onto somebody presents a significant safety hazard. Peabody employees, contractors and visitors are never to be under a suspended load that's not supported by an engineered supporting device such as a stand or bracket. In certain circumstances, employees and contractors are allowed to work in the full radius, provided extra controls are in place. Extra controls are to be determined by a risk assessment. The hook of a crane with no load attached is not classified as a suspended load. However, it is a suspended load if the crane hoist has free fall capability. When in an underground mine, nobody is permitted to be under areas that have not been reinforced or supported. This does not apply to ground that has been determined not to require reinforcement by a competent person and forms part of the mine strata support plan. In this scenario, the offsider has placed himself directly under the load being moved by the overhead crane and has breached the cardinal rule, placing himself at risk of the load falling on him. In this scenario, you'll see that the offsider complies with the cardinal rule. And stays well clear of the suspended load. In this scenario, two workers approach a stub carrying a pump and come to a no-road barrier. They note the no-road tape and observe that the roof is unsupported. They incorrectly decide to go in regardless, thinking it looks okay. In this scenario, two workers approach a stub carrying a pump and come to a no-road barrier. But this time, they correctly do not attempt to proceed. They report the matter to the deputy, who praises them for their correct action.